Here I am again. It's the same day as when I did the very large pour, which is currently drying over there. And as I have still, as usual, many paints left, I thought about just making another pour and show you the result. This marbling stuff is quite new to me, so I wanted just to experiment a bit more. And as I do not really want to waste any of these paints, yeah, I just wanted to make one video in addition to show you, and I actually did use the same paint, so there is no mixing this time. The paint itself is a bit thinner than I usually used for my acrylic pours when I use my torch to create the cells in the silicone. So no silicone, no torch, well, perhaps a bit of torching to get rid of the air bubbles in the paint, but not to get any cells. So what I actually do, I just throw all the paints that I have into a large bucket, I guess, and throw it on the canvas. I'm going to put my camera down on the floor. It is a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas, so I'm just going to use this one, and as it's a larger one than my pouring table actually can hold. It is only 50 centimeters, so I do not want to have the paint drip off. And so I just use the ground again. And here we go. This bucket that you can see here is just my white paint, which is actually a wall paint. So something that you paint onto your walls and not so much used for artwork. The other paints that you can see here is just the same color palette that I've used for the large one, as I told you before. And this is some kind of sienna tones, gold and a dark brown. My goal here is to achieve something similar looking than the very large pour, and again as well a marble effect. This I'm trying to achieve by just putting all of these colors into the bucket, which you can see in a second, and then just pouring everything onto this canvas. When I realized that I have too much paint for just one of these canvases, I decided to grab another one and make a double pour, which is just simply done, and it worked really great. They both match in the very end. So it is even cooler to see them both matching each other so that you can hang them next to each other. This was really fun and I was really happy about the result. Of course, this paint also cracked when it was drying, but at least I got around myself and liked the effect though, and I was able to correct some of those cracks. So just when it dried, I gone over with some pure white paint over the white areas, painted over them, and everything looked a bit less cracked than it was before. When I applied the varnish in the very end, some of the cracks even were less visible than before, so this added again to my goal to have a smooth surface. But although there is still cracks left, I kind of like the result anyways. So it was really fine for me. So this is it for this video, I guess. It was just a very short demonstration what you can do with the rest amount of the paint, and as I wanted to experiment any further, I just filmed the rest of this video as well. I, as usual, hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you've not done already. Click the bell icon to get notified for my new coming stuff, and as usual, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos, and have a great day. Bye bye.